Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to look at the best crypto exchange for beginners in 2026. You can just start with just 10 USD. Okay, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do want to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. Remember what I said? You can just start with just 10 USD. You might have heard about a lot of crypto exchanges like Binance, like Huobi, Bybit, and a lot more of them. But having done a strong and a very robust research, I came up with Bybit exchange because I frequently use Bybit. I would have mentioned Binance, but you know why? Because I'm doing this from Nigeria, and in Nigeria, Binance P2P is no longer available since last 2 years or so. So for that, I choose Bybit exchange as the best crypto exchange for beginners in 2026. This crypto exchange known as Bybit actually offers a lot of features for beginners, and they are also beginners and users friendly. Bybit exchange has a support sessions, it has official sessions, and it also have a P2P available for everybody within the nations of P2P availability. You can spot your trade, you can do your feature trading, you can also do P2P transactions. So all you just need to do is to so as I said, you can simply trade your coin with just 10 USDT. All you just need to do is to start the trading by spot trading. Okay, you can just start doing the trading with simple spot trading. I don't advise you as a beginner to usually go for feature trading, because in feature trading you can easily liquidify your capital. Alright, so advisably you start with spot trading with as little as $10. Okay, so when you start with this little as $10, you can keep growing this your $10 to 1,000 if you want, strategically. Alright, so after doing that, and you are conversant with a lot of the trading strategies, then you can graduate from the spot trading to feature trading. So the best crypto exchange you need to use right in 2026 that is user friendly is Bybit exchange. Alright, so this brings me to the end of this particular class. If you do have any question, do what to drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. And if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do what to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.